Low inventory is the sweet spot for sellers, homeowners. Good news. If you are wanting to sell and have been hesitating due to recent headlines on the housing market, do not wait any longer. Now is the time. Hi, I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty. Low housing inventory is a sweet spot for sellers on the fence about listing their homes. Today's housing market and inventory is still well below normal years, and that is a good news for sellers as it means there is a high buyer demand. So don't wait, reach out to me and my team and can give you accurate data on what is happening in your area in terms of price, days on the market and inventory, and help you strategize your next move. I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty.